In front of me is Blackshark Pad 7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto brightness. First of all, go into Tab menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on this little side icon available next to your brightness slider. When it's orange, that means that auto brightness is on. If you wanna switch it off, tap on the same shortcut until it's gray. You can also go into Devices Settings, scroll a tiny bit to tap on Display section, and then use this switcher next to Adaptive Brightness to switch it on or turn it off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!